Hey everybody, welcome to BlenderBoyz at home, on location, in the Situation Room, if you will. We're here in Cambridge at the Adept Food and Beverage head office. And we're going to make a couple of more drinks here for you. Holiday season coming, some more things you can wow your guests with. We're going to make, first of all, our version of a PainKiller. And we're going to be using our Tropical Paradise Pineapple Banana Mango Smoothie and a little bit of our Pina Colada mix. So we're going to get right at it. We've got a cup of ice here in the blender. You know, and again, as we've talked about before, any blender will do the trick here. If you've got a small personal blender, you've got a blender under the counter that's gathering dust and been there for a while, here's a reason to bring it out. This is a good commercial blender, but it doesn't have to be that. So we've got a cup of ice. We've got a pouch of Tropical Paradise. It's about 4 ounces. Pineapple, mango, banana, good stuff. We're going to put about 1 ounce. This is a pouch of Pina Colada mix that I've poured in here. We're going to put about 1 ounce of Pina Colada. An ounce of orange juice. The recipe wants. And then, rum is the base of this drink. We're going to put a couple of ounces of rum. Now you can be as generous as you wish. There we go. And then we're going to blend. Well, there we go. A beautiful PainKiller. Aptly named, I expect. And you can garnish that with a piece of pineapple, sprig of mint, and make a beautiful drink, or just the way it is. PainKiller, using BlenderBoyz products. Enjoy. Oh, that's good. Follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.